This Coby TV does not turn on. This is the model number TFDVD2274. 22-inch model screen. In order to take it apart, you have to take these screws out here, 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 and these screws here, this, and this. You'll pry it apart, and the front comes off. Then you can disconnect these here if you wanted, and or you just take these screws and just screw off on both sides of the monitor. You have a couple wires here you can unplug. You have these screws here you take off, and then just lift up and pull out. When you lift the monitor up, you're going to have this cable here. This is the LVDS cable, and you're going to unplug that cable right up here. You also have your inverter board for your CFL bulbs. You got to unplug those wires, get that out of the way. But that's out of the way, and we can come to this board here, which is going to be your power supply. Then we're going to take in, remove these screws here in order to get to it. So this is going to be your main board. It's going to be your, I guess that's a big, not sure what that kind of board is. Must be for the DVD. It's your inverter board. It's your power supply. Clearly you can see 3 capacitors here that are bad. And let's change direction for capacitor. These two here are 1000 microfarad 25 volt. And the other one is 470 microfarad 25 volt. So we're going to go higher in voltage on these because we have plenty of room. And then that's going to be 100 microfarad 400 volt. Always use it as the same voltages. And you see that it says 12 volts. That's why you want to load 3 times the amount of capacitors, not 2. As we're replacing the capacitors, they're able to see that it works. Thanks for watching, guys. Well, I'll see you next time.